Come on. Come on, honey. We gotta catch our train. But the dragons will be gone if we're late. They won't wait for us. They'll go to their castle. Come on, you can buy more money later. Yeah, with extra bacon on top. Bacon. Where do you think you're going? No, you're not. You're staying right in this bed. Because I'm tired. And I need you for cuddles and warmth. Duh. You're so warm. I know you love it when I cuddle up to you like this. Hey, don't make me do the pouty lips. Oh, yes, I'm willing to go there. What time is it even? Oh gosh, it's still so early. Why do you still want to get up? Restless? Restless? I will never understand where you get all this energy from. I mean, we went on a big ass trip yesterday and you're still not sleepy. You are a marvel, honey. And I'm not just saying that because you're gorgeous. Or because you're funny. Or how smart you are. Or how thoughtful you are. Or how you get the idea. I'm saying it because of your infectious, boundless energy. It's really cute. Well, that's what you get. That's what you get when you talk with me at this hour. Lots of buttering up. I mean, is it working? Are you gonna stay in bed? Good. I rest my case then. Yeah, by the time I wake up, it's gonna be you who's asleep. And then you'll be keeping me in bed. No, I would stay. I would stay and just go back to bed then. And believe me, I'll take any excuse I can just to get to stay in bed and cuddle with you all day. I think the only thing that can compare is when we cuddle in the tub. That's when I get warmed by you and the water. Maybe we should do that whenever we get up. I don't know how long we're staying like this. Maybe 2 hours, maybe 6, maybe the whole day. Shh. Let your body do the talking, baby. By holding and squeezing me. Like that. Yeah. I don't know which one of us is the teddy bear here, but I love this. Oh, you're so cute. Maybe you are the teddy bear here. My teddy bear. Always here to warm my body and my soul. Hey, you're with a sappy person. You get sappy comments. Especially when I'm tired. And the only thing I can focus on is how nice and warm you are. I know you love it. Because you've got that look on your face that you only do around me. You might have noticed. You might not have noticed, but I sure have. You usually get it whenever I talk about you to another person. And when you try to eliminate the blush by focusing on something else. Like you're doing now. Alright, okay, I'll stop. I gotta start back on. Oh, saying something. Oh, yeah. I said I've gotta get back to counting dragons anyway. Yeah, we were counting dragons in my dream. Bacon? How did you know there was bacon in my dream? Hmm. That's a good guess then. Hmm. What? Sure. You can put on a movie. I don't mind. You can watch a movie. You can read a novel. Dye your hair. You can do whatever you like. As long as you stay here and cuddle me. Got it. I don't know how you would dye your hair in bed, but I'm sure you'd figure something out. You always do. You always do. Hmm? Okay, maybe not everything, but almost everything. Make sure to get some sleep though, okay? You need it too. Love you too. and now it's gone. Without the photo. Without the dragons, our photo album won't be complete. No, you can't bring a dragon home. Maybe. Look at that one, it's so cute. Maybe we should ask the train driver to fly closer to them. So cute and cuddly. So cuddly.